Okay everyone, today we will learn the basic about sets. In this video we will learn about four things. The first one is the notation. The first one is the notation. The second one is the equal set. What is equal set? The third one, we will have subsets, and then the last one, the fourth one, we will have empty sets. Okay, now let's start with set itself. What is set? Set is, in mathematics we define it as a collection of things. Or collection of things or object. Let's take example from Blackpink because that's what trending now in YouTube. Okay, now we have Blackpink over here. Okay, many of you might know that Blackpink have four members, which is we have Lisa, Jennie, Jisoo, and Rose. Right? Yeah, I'm sure that's correct. Now, how to write it in mathematics form? Because we learn mathematics now. We can change them into sets of Blackpink. Okay, we have to name our set first. Okay, we have to name it because it's Blackpink. Start with B. Usually, we will always start with B. Okay, how to name a set? We always use capital letter. So you cannot use B. Blah, blah, blah. No, this is wrong. Okay, cannot use that. Okay, so to name set we always use capital letter. And then in Blackpink we have four members, as you know. We always use curly bracket. In Blackpink we have four members, which is Lisa and Jennie and this is Jisoo and Rose. I'm very sorry if my writing is not correct their name, yeah, but you get the idea. We have the curly bracket over here. It should be curly bracket. Now, once again, sets is collection of things. In this example, we have Blackpink. We name the sets as B because Blackpink, and we always use capital letter. We cannot use lower. We have to use uppercase. Okay, and then to group it, we need to make curly bracket. We have two curly bracket. We have Lisa, Jennie, Jisoo, and Rose. All of them over here, we call it the member. Okay, so the member of Blackpink, we have Lisa, Jennie, Jisoo, and Rose. That's the basic of sets. Now let's go to set notation. Let's take it down. Okay. Number one, which is about set notation. Sets notation. Okay. Set notation. Wait, let's go up and cut out this one first. We need this. Sorry. Okay. Okay, now we have this now. This is Blackpink. Remember, we have blah 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 as the member. Set notation. We will start with this little fella, little e. Yeah, this one means member. So if I say, do you think Lisa is a member of Blackpink? Yes, so we can say that Lisa is a member of Blackpink. We don't need to write Blackpink, just need to write P. Lisa is the member of, oh my god, my handwriting, I'm sorry, is the member of Blackpink. How to say that it is not a member? Not a member. Let's say Bima. Do you think Bima is member of Blackpink? No, right? So Bima is not a member of Blackpink, but this is a member. How to make not a member? We just need to add, let me make another color, this. So Bima is not a member of Blackpink. Let's write it again. If E is the member, if it cross means not a member. Okay. Go to set notation. E is the member. E cross with cross over here is not a member. Lisa is member of Blackpink, as we can see here. And then Bima is not a member of Blackpink. And then another notation is the number of member. The number of member. Oh, we don't have enough space here. Let's over here. Okay. The number of A. It means the number of member of A. Okay, so NA is the number of member of A. For example, we know that a B is set of Blackpink, right? And then NB, it means how many member you can count from Blackpink, how many member you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means NB is 4. Okay, that is for the set notation. Now let's go to equal set. Okay, equal set number 2, which is equal sets. Now as you can see, equal means the same or exactly the same, equal. So if I have let's say a set of A is 2, 4 and 6, and then I have sets of B 4, 2, 6. Now if we can see A and B, do you think they have the same member? We have 2, we have 2, we have 4, we have 4, we have 6, we have 6. So all of them have the same member. Okay, A and B have the same member. So we can say that A are equals to B. A equal to B. As easy as that. Okay. Now let's go to subset number 3. Our third is about subsets. Okay, subsets means something inside of bigger thing. For example, I have used A, B, let's use C. We have C is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have D is 2 and 5. Now what can you notice? The member of C is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And then the member of D is 2 and 5. Please notice that I always use curly bracket. We always use curly bracket, okay? And we always use uppercase or capital letter, okay? Now we can see that all of the D is inside the C. Let me write it down here. In D we have 2 and 5. In C we always also have 2 and 5. So all of the D is inside the C. So we can say that D is subset of C. Okay, D is subset of C, or we can say D is part of C. D is subset of C. Now, how to write it down? How to write it down? How to write it down? We just write D. Remember the symbol is the subset of C. It means all of the D is belongs to C. Okay, let's make the symbol over here. The symbol of subset is like this. Okay, subsets. Okay, all of the D is inside the C. Okay, that is for subset. Okay, wait, let's. Okay, D is subset of C. Oh yeah, but what happens if I add one more number in D? Let's say we have a, let's make it yellow here. Let's say we have a 9. But what happens if we have 9 over here? Do you think that D is still subset of C? Okay, let's take a look. Do you think we have 9 on C? No, we don't have 9 over here, but we have 9 over here. Okay, that is conclude that D is not subset of C anymore, because we have 9 over here but not 9 over here. So that's this example. Let's erase that back. Okay, that is for subset. Now let's talk about empty set. This is the last one before we have our example for let's make it what, so same thing. Okay, and drag it down a little bit. Okay, number 4, we have empty set. What is empty set? It's something empty, nothing inside there. Okay, empty, nothing inside there, Pak. Okay, yeah, it's just empty. It's self-explanatory. I don't need to explain this. Empty set means empty. Okay, the symbol is that's right, the symbol is this 2 curly bracket with nothing inside it, and or we can write this with the 0 with the cross like this. These 2 represent empty set. Let's make a highlight. Okay, these 2 represent empty set. But what about 0? If I have something inside the set which is 0, let's say I have a E, set E. Inside the set we have 0. Is this empty set? No, this is not empty set. Why? Because we have member inside which is 0. Okay, so E is not empty set. Okay. Okay. Now, would you take note that one? Let's have example. Okay, let me take the example, screenshot it from a book. Wait, see. Oh. Wait. Sorry, I think I need to get rid of this. Okay. And oh, screenshot. Oh, where is my snipping tool? Screenshot this. Good. Copy and paste. Okay, now this is our question. Oh, you might saw the answer already, but let's try to discuss. Okay. Okay, let P be the set of multiple of 6 less than 20. Let's list down. We have P, we have set P is multiple of 6 but less than 20. We have 6, and then we have 12, we have 18. That's it. Okay, multiple of 6 less than 20. Is there any other number? No. Yeah, and Q be the set of, if you want to do it yourself, feel free to stop this and then try it yourself, and then we can follow the next. And then Q be the set of all even numbers less than 20. We have all even numbers less than 20. This is Q, remember, uppercase. Set of even numbers less than 20. We start with 2 even numbers, right? 4, 6, 8, 10, and then 12, 14, 16, 18. Should we add 20? Remember, it is less than 20, so 20 is not a member. Okay, so we have P, we have Q. A, list the element of P and Q. Oh, we did it. Done. This is for the A. B, true or false. Let's write P. True or false. 10 is element of P. Let's go to P. Do you think 10 is element of P? Can you find 10 over here in the P? No. So, BI, 10 is not element of P. Okay, that's the I Captain. Okay, true or false, 10 is not element of Q. Okay, we have to answer this one. It's true or false. So for this, for BI is false, yeah. Okay, I think we have to answer it that way. So wait, let's erase it first. No need. True or false, 10 is not element of Q. Let's go to Q. Can you find 10? Yes, it means 10 is element of Q. So this one is false. So I is false because 10 is element of Q. True or false? 12 is element of P. Can we find 12? Yes. So it means, okay, sorry, change the color. Change the color. True or false, 12 element of P. We can say 12 over here. Wait, sorry. 12 element of P over here, sorry. 12 is element of P because we can see 12 in P. So true. Yes, it's true that true, false. Okay, get that. Okay, I false, I true because 12 is element of P. We can find 12 over here. C. Okay, let's make a line. We don't have enough space. Whoop. Okay. C. Find NP. It means the number of P. The number of P. How many number of P? 1, 2, 3. The member of P is 3. So NP equals with 3 because we have 3 members. NQ. I need the NQ. Let's calculate. Let's count how many member in Q. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So NQ is 9. D. Is P subset of Q? Let's take a look. Can we find, remember subset, it means all the P is inside the Q. Can you find 6 in Q? Yes. Can you find, let's use this. Can you find 6 in Q? Yes. Can you find 12? Yes. And then 18? Yes, we can find all of them. It means, is P subset of Q? Yes. P is subset of Q. Okay, that is for today's lesson, everyone. Thank you. If you have any question, let me know.